If you want to use the law of attraction in your favor, one of the most effective ways to supercharge your motivation and manifestation power is by focusing your energy consciously for 30 days. This creates a habit. It becomes a natural, automatic process that lines you up with your desires effortlessly. By believing in your power to manifest, you can release any resistance and feel secure in the knowledge that you can and will have the life you dream of. Use the following 8 steps daily to create radical changes in your mind, vibration, and life so you can manifest more of what you want. Number 1. Set the intention that something positive and unexpected will happen to you. Keep telling yourself how excited you are because you know something good is coming your way, and attempt to feel that excitement. This is as easy as saying to yourself, "Something awesome is happening. I can feel it. I'm not certain what it is, but I'm very excited about it." Number 2. Make it a point to look for everything that is positive in all situations. Remember that there is always something to be grateful for, and make a conscious effort to find those things. Count your blessings and name what you love out loud. Genuinely attempt to feel the abundance available and be grateful for it. Number 3. Set the intention to make your happiness your number one focus. Instead of consuming your time with being wrapped up in one big manifestation, simply focus on your happiness and the good things in your life. Choose to be happy no matter what's happening. When you prioritize your happiness over anything else in your life, you center your power and increase your creativity, and this incites more things to be happy about. Number 4. Use daily affirmations that reinforce your belief that you can attract what you want. For example, I accept my power. Every experience I have is perfect for my growth and moves me towards my desires. I choose my own happiness, and the universe constantly gives me more to be happy about. Number 5. Make a to-do list of actions that you can take to move you towards your goals and do one of those each day for 30 days. These don't have to be large, overwhelming tasks. In fact, they should be simple actions that bring you joy. When you're working towards something you want, the path that leads you there can be just as fun. Number 6. Meditate daily and visualize what you want in great detail, especially as you're drifting off to sleep. This is the time when the mind is most impressionable and can adopt the belief that this thing is already yours. It will then go to work to validate that in your life. Number 7. Find something that energizes you and reminds you of your desires. This could be an image, an object, a song, a place, or something else. Make the conscious effort to connect with this thing once or twice daily. Simply by bringing this thing into your conscious awareness daily, you can remind yourself of your connection with your desire. This begins to create a new belief that you can attract what you want because you have the ability to bring it into your experience whenever you choose. Number 8. Make the conscious effort daily to align with the energy of your desire. Realize that whatever you are manifesting right now has a spirit of its own. The spirit of what you want most likely carries the vibration of happiness, abundance, love, freedom, or ease. When you set the intention to carry the same vibration and align your energy with the energy of your desire, you manifest with ease. We manifest in the now moment. As a co-creator with the universe, your manifesting power can only be shown when you put all of your focus and energy in the present moment. The more you appreciate the present moment and feel the way your desire must feel, the higher you're vibrating and the quicker you can manifest those things. By committing to these steps every day for 30 days, you begin to form a new habit and a new way of living. This habit begins to create more clarity and awaken more of your power. It develops a lifestyle that lines you up to work with the law of attraction in a way that is favorable to manifesting more of what you want. By engaging in the process daily, You learn to release any resistance you are holding on to, see the joy and abundance in life as it is, and realize that the universe will bring you more of what you desire at just the right moment.